Which of the following is not a violation of the Clean Air Act or EPA's regulations? A. Failing to keep required records. B. Failing to meet the required evacuation levels before opening or disposing of appliances. C. Knowingly releasing CFC, HCFC, or HFC refrigerants while repairing appliances. D. Knowingly recovering an exempt refrigerant.
Hello, my name is Billy. The answer is D. An exempt refrigerant is exactly that. It is exempt from regulations.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.